Hey, my friend Sam here. So this is a follow-up video to a little series I did a few months ago. If you recall, I made a bunch of silicone donuts, squeezed them with tourniquets, and it showed how they provide asymmetric squeeze. It was suggested that I make them a little more physiologic, so this section was sent to me, and I've been trying to recreate it with a mold ever since. So this is the latest. It looks rough on the outside, and the reason is I used this type of EcoFlex, which I'll never buy again. Anything that says fast on it, believe it, it really sets up fast. But in terms of the lessons from it, you still get some lessons. I tried to make a more rigid skin layer, higher diameter skin layer on the outside. It came out terrible. But the inner layers I think are actually okay. The muscle I did with EcoFlex 00-30, and then the tissue in between is 00-10. And I set the holes so that there's one superficial, one sort of in the middle there, or halfway to the middle. Some people seem to feel that having a vessel right next to bone is critical. I don't know. So I made one hole next to bone and one next to that, a little bit further away from the bone. And then the stand itself is something that holds the thing in place, and I can clamp it to a table. So I'll do that here, and we'll just go through some of the observations. I'm using the cat here largely because everybody knows it. What I'm going to do is just have it in 4 different orientations. So if I start here, let's see what happens to the holes with each squeeze. The outer is squeezed first, then the closer to center, and then the middle too. Let's see if I can get a crank into it as well. So I'm going to rotate this to be here now. And I'm going to rotate such that the cinch is behind here now. All right, pull as hard as I could. All right, well, I'm pretty sure the orientation of the cinch matters. Keep your suggestions coming.